All right. So we are now focusing on step 3 of these equations with rates on both sides. The good news is we've actually been doing step 3 on the last few slides of every day. So this should look familiar. Okay, so you can see that this first step is done for you, plus 2x, because remember, we're looking for the rate on the right side to be in this problem. Okay, so how do we make negative 2x become 0 or eliminate? We would add 2x to both sides. Okay, so plus 2x plus 2x. What you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. Okay, so now we have to do this math problem right here. Negative 5 plus 2. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. And then don't forget to move that x down as well. Negative 3x. Okay, so now we move down that positive 4 because we did not touch that rate. Or sorry, we did not touch that constant. Plus 4 stayed plus 4. Okay, and then if we go to the other side, we'll see that negative 2x plus 2x makes 0. So we eliminated it. That's a good thing. We always want something to be eliminated when we're solving these problems because our goal is to have x isolated, to have x by itself. Okay, so then we only have negative 2 on the right side. Then we focused on moving the constant, right? So instead of this positive 4 here, in order to eliminate it or to make it 0, we would subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, so subtract 4 from one side, you have to subtract 4 from the other side. Okay, so now we move that negative 3x down, we're good. Now 4 minus 4 makes 0, and we know that we do not have to write 0 on that next step anymore because by now we know it cancels out. It is eliminated. Then on the other side, we have negative 2 minus negative 4, or negative 2 and negative 4 together make negative 6. Okay, so here is our step 3, our final step of doing these equations. So negative 3 is being multiplied by x here, okay? So what is the opposite of multiplying? It is dividing. And why do we want to divide this? Because we want x, the coefficient of x, to be 1. We only want one of them. We want it by itself. And if we divide negative 3 divided by negative 3, we get 1x, or just x. But if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So we are also going to take negative 6 divided by negative 3. Don't forget to move down this equal sign. And negative 6 divided by negative 3, if you're using your calculator, is positive 2. X equals 2 is our answer to this equation.